Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and do the cross progression for Rainbow Six Siege. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. So for that matter, the very first step would be simply for you to access your ubisoft.com on your browser and simply sign in with your account's details. So right over here there is one simple way for you to do so. It's simply for you to share the same accounts information within the different accounts in different platforms. So for that, all you have to do is first of all access your account on top and simply scroll onto the bottom and tap on this option of account management. Once you're in this account management section, all you have to do is simply tap on this option of account information right over here. So this will simply open up the information regarding your account, but if you scroll down to the bottom, you will be able to find a section of linked account. So for that particular method, all you have to do is simply link your account with the Xbox account of yours and PlayStation Network. All you have to do is tap on link and you will be able to link your Ubisoft account with Xbox and PlayStation Network at the same time, and you will be able to do the cross progression for the Rainbow Six Siege likewise. So that way all of the information of your account will be shared with two of this account of yours and you are good to go. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.